Welcome to Mohali Career Point. This is the second part of the Excel series. I'm the second part. We learnt about basic of things of Excel. In this part we are going to learn about all the formulas that can be used in Excel, so be ready with your notebook and stay tuned until the end. It's not feasible to list every formula in Excel, as there are hundreds of built-in functions and new ones are occasionally added with updates. However, here's a comprehensive list of categories of functions commonly used in Excel. The sum function in Excel adds up a range of numbers. It takes multiple arguments, each representing a number, and returns their total sum. For example, if you have a column of numbers from A1 to A10, and you want to find the total sum of those numbers. The average function in Excel calculates the arithmetic mean of a range of numbers. It takes one or more numerical arguments and returns the average value of those numbers. The max function in Excel is used to find the maximum value in a range of cells or a set of specified numbers. It returns the largest value among the given arguments. The min function in Excel is used to find the minimum value in a range of cells or a set of specified numbers. It returns the smallest value among the given arguments. The count function in Excel is used to count the number of cells in a range that contain numbers. It can also count the number of cells that meet a specified condition. The if function in Excel allows you to perform a logical test and return one value if the test evaluates to true and another value if it evaluates to false. The VLOOKUP function in Excel stands for vertical lookup. It's used to search for a value in the leftmost column of a table and then return a value in the same row from a specified column. The match function in Excel is used to locate the relative position of a value within a range or array. It returns the position of a specified value in a list or range of cells. The concatenate function in Excel is used to combine multiple strings, text values, into a single string. It takes multiple text arguments and joins them together. Here's the syntax. The trim function in Excel is used to remove extra spaces from text, specifically leading and trailing spaces, as well as extra spaces between words, leaving only single spaces between words. Here's the syntax. The left function in Excel is used to extract a specified number of characters from the left side of a text string. Here's the syntax. The right function in Excel is used to extract a specified number of characters from the right side of a text string. The upper function in Excel is used to convert text to uppercase. It takes a text string as input and returns a new string where all the letters are converted to uppercase. The find function in Excel is used to locate the position of a substring within a text string. It returns the starting position of the substring within the text string. If the substring is not found, find returns the hashtag value. Error. The find function in Excel is used to locate the position of a substring within a text string. It returns the starting position of the substring within the text string. If the substring is not found, find returns the hashtag value. Error. The replace function in Excel is used to replace part of a text string with another text string. It allows you to specify a starting position within the original text, the number of characters to replace, and the new text to insert. The search function in Excel is used to find the position of one text string within another. It's case insensitive, meaning it does not differentiate between uppercase and lowercase letters. Search returns the position of the first occurrence of the substring within the text string.